This way?
Yep, pull it towards you. Close it.
What?
Close it.
Okay.
Great job.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, class. So we went back to the farm. We made this. Well, Dad made this, and it's like a whole evaporator to smoke our maple syrup. And if you touch it, you actually burn your finger.
It's very hot, right?
Yes, even that's a chimney. And these trays are probably holding the maple syrup, and there's the maple syrup. That's
So
boiling.
it starts here, right? And we go down into here and it gets darker and darker and darker, right?
And then this is what it will look like.
That's
so
all.
it's like it turns to this.
That's right.
First is halfway there, and then very last.
That's close to the end that we gotta finish it off, right? Where does the wood go?
The wood goes in here. But the fire is also gonna die.
Because we're done for today, right?
Yeah, and also the fire looks like a cool explosion.
Yeah?
Yeah, in a worn-off volcano. And if you look in here, you'll also see the fire.
Yep. All right, y'all good?
Yeah, and this piece of wood is probably for one of these stones.
That's right.
Thank you, class, for watching my video.
Go.
Hi, class. So it's Venus again. So we went back to the farm and we got some more maple syrup. And after we got we also got 2 guests. But first, I will tell you about the maple syrup. So this is tree maple syrup. How it started. It's half full. It's barely there, kind of. And it's so close to fishing. This is super close to fishing, and this is very close to fishing.
And then where does it go from here?
We put it on our oven, so then we make some maple syrup. And how this is powered by is wood. So much wood, and the fire is awesome looking.
What does the smoke smell like? Well, the steam.
It smells like s'mores, and you can see this one is smoking a lot, and the tree is smoking, but not really.
It's just steam, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll come back for more when we're closer to done, right?
Yep, and also the maple syrup is bubbling out of these two.
Smells good or no?
It smells good, and smoke always makes me choke.
All right, we'll come back and film some more in a bit, right?
Hi, class. So we got a pot, and we got this thing that tells us how hot it is, and we need this to go to candy.
So we have to get it 7 degrees past the point of boiling of water, which is roughly 209 to 210.
And you always be careful because there's fire.
We have to go 7 degrees above boiling point of water, right?
Yes, and if you look down there, I don't know if you can see it, there's fire.
Probably not, because it's hard to see in the daylight.
Yeah, but in the night, it's good.
So we got to get this boiling, back up to boiling again, right?
Yeah.
And then once it gets to the, whatever it may be, 207, we'll see what time the boiling point of the water is.
Yep, and my back is also getting warm.
Is it? Oh yeah, because we're still making it.
Yep.
All right, let's check back in a couple minutes when this begins to boil, right?
Right.
All right, see you soon.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching.